Good evening. I'd like to start by showing you something that you haven't seen for quite some time. After a 3-month onslaught, finally I can show you a chart showing high pressure across the whole of the UK. Yes, things are settling down. You might have spotted, though, that says Monday. So we have got a little way to go yet, and between now and then we have still got some rain in the forecast. Not so much in the areas that have suffered from the flooding up till now, but across northern parts of the UK we're seeing some pretty heavy rain. It's been a wet day for Western Scotland, more to come here, setting in across Northern Ireland, many western parts of England and Wales having a fairly wet night too, but a relatively mild one underneath the clouds, 7 or 8 degrees. Maybe a little chillier at times with some clear spells in the southeast, and certainly northern Scotland with some clear spells. A chilly start to the day tomorrow. A lot of cloud around, you'll notice, tomorrow, and still plenty of rain as well across northern and western areas. In fact, the rain spreading, becoming more extensive across Scotland through the afternoon. Bit more patchy for southwest England and Wales, but the odd heavier burst possible, extending into the Midlands too. There's one bright spot though, southeast corner of England, 13-14 degrees potentially, given some brightness here. We might even get similar temperatures across sheltered parts of northeast Wales, but otherwise not that pleasant through this rain band, 9-10 degrees at best. Really quite a wet day for Northern Ireland, northwest England, and across much of Scotland. It's a very wet afternoon. Some snow across the very highest ground, but snow melt more likely, and that's feeding into the river systems. Now that band of rain will gradually creep away across England and Wales through Friday, becoming lighter and more patchy. Still mild in the south, but much colder air following on behind that. Could have an issue with snow across Scotland later on in the day, but that colder air on Friday doesn't last all that long. Look at this as we go into the weekend, mild, even warm air spreading across the whole of the UK from the south. Preceded by a spell of snow again across the Scottish mountains, and quite a wet day here too at lower levels. But as that brighter weather extends in across England and Wales, temperatures will start to rise once again. The mid-teens in some places, really feeling quite spring-like. And by Sunday, we're starting to see the first signs of things settling down, the rain easing off, the winds easing to some extent gradually as well. Still temperatures in the mid-teens in places. So yes, we are heading for a settled spell of weather at long last. Take a look on the website at the forecast for where you are for the next few days. If you don't believe me, I think you'll get a very pleasant surprise. Bye-bye.